OAWALKER here, and in this video I'm going to be taking a look at this case for the OnePlus 8T. I'll have a link to it in the description. This case was about £10 off of Amazon. I believe you could also get something similar on the Amazon.com, the US store as well. I'll have that in the description as well. It's about £10. I think it's $11 in the US. It's kind of like a folding case. I've got this in grey. It's also available in blue and black if you want. Let's just open this up so we actually get inside. Pretty simple. You get the case inside and you get a little plastic thing to get rid of that, and this is the case. Pretty simple. It's got a little magnet here, so you just snap it shut. It's got an earpiece here as well, so you can just close the phone and talk to the person through that, and you should be able to hear them. It's got cutouts at the bottom for the USB microphone and speaker, and the microphone at the top. It's got a cutout for the rocker switch here, and the power button. Inside, it's got buttons here for the volume rocker and the cutout for the camera. I believe this bit here, not sure what this is for, but it's going to be covered anyway. I think it might be to maybe covering the glue or something. And also you got little slots here to put your cards in. So let's put the phone in. I've got this case as well. I picked up from Amazon as well for about £10. I have the link up there if you want to go check that out. So let's take this off and put it in this case and see how well it looks. So you just slide that in. You can see it fits pretty well. You could close up. In terms of bulk, it does add a bit of bulk to it. Obviously there's like a TPU case inside of it, and then it's got like a layer on each side providing protection. In terms of use, you can, I've got a little Oyster card here. You can just slide cards that you want in there, just to give you a rough idea of how it would look. But the only thing I would be concerned about is when you have your card in here and you have it closed, it may scratch against the screen. I'm not entirely sure, but that's something to bear in mind. Obviously, it's recommended that you have a tempered glass screen protector or some kind of screen protector, just in case. That should eliminate any scratches on the screen or prevent you from damaging the phone. Just like most TPU cases, it does have a little lip here. So for some reason you can have it face down like this and you don't have to worry about scratching. The same goes for the back. It's got a massive lip because of the TPU case and the additional case it's got on top. So either way, if you have the phone, you could just kind of move it about, throw it about, and you don't have to worry about scratching the screen or the camera lens. In terms of protection, I think the protection on this phone is quite good. You do obviously have the TPU case in there that has the main protection, but you also have the protection from this outer case as well. And once you close everything together, it's got this thick layer that's protecting the screen as well. The back, the camera, all the sides are pretty much covered. And if you have this in your pocket with, say for example, your keys or anything else, you don't really have to worry about scratching the front of the screen, because other cases like this, it doesn't provide protection for the screen, and this does. So you can just close it up, put it in your pocket, and it's pretty well protected. From drops and bumps, I think it would do fairly well, because this is kind of like a more rigid, stiff material, and the same goes on the back as well. So protection wise, it should hold up pretty well from drops and falls and stuff like that. So you can throw it about a bit. Overall, the design of the case is nice. It's got this nice textured finish to it. Like I said, you could get it in different colors, blue and black. You can just go to the link in the description and take a look. So for a case that's £10, it's pretty good. Also, another feature that you could do, if you're watching like a video or something, you can just flip it like this, and you can watch a video and then skip like this, push this down a bit or something. You can watch a video. It's pretty nice. It's pretty handy. So if you've got like you're on a plane and you have a long car ride, you could just set this up, watch a video, watch a YouTube video or anything like that, close back up, good to go. Overall, pretty nice case, very good value for money. If you like these type of cases that cover the screen, this is an excellent case to get, and it's cheap and affordable as well, and you can get it in different colors. Yeah, that is about it for the case. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Like I said, links are in the description if you want to pick this case up. Let me know your thoughts on the case. Do you like it? You're going to get one? Leave all that good stuff in the comment section down below, and thanks for watching. Peace.